more. The problem with metal roofs and doing this roof hack in some areas, especially where it hails a lot, is your insurance might go up as much as $100, $150 a month. Because what happened? There would be hailstorms come through and the hail would hit the metal and it would dent the metal. Now the roof wouldn't be leaking, but cosmetically the house doesn't look so good anymore. So people have been calling for roof replacements even though the roof wasn't leaking, but just to fix the aesthetic problem after a hailstorm. So in certain areas you might want to check before you do this roof hack. You'll save a lot of money up front real quick by putting on this metal roof over the top of the old shingles. But if you're planning on being a landlord or keeping this house yourself, it's not worth it, because $100 to $150 a month extra in insurance will certainly outrun whatever you saved on this hack at some point in time. Now, if you're just selling this house and moving along, you could rationalize that, well, it won't be my insurance increase, it'll be for someone else's. But you also have to remember, the extra $150 a month to your new buyer might stress them. And this could be especially important if you're selling your houses and you're carrying the financing for your buyer. That would be really important not to cost them an extra $100, $150 a month in insurance. So again, all went back to what is your strategy as to what are the choices you make when it comes to a new roof.